Hello friends, welcome to Delights, and in today's video we will be creating a WordPress website's homepage which looks like this. So let's begin. So our first step is to install a new theme, because currently our website looks like this. So we are going to be installing Astra as our theme. So wait for it to install. After installing, activate it. Then we will install a plugin. These two plugins have no use, so delete them. So let's add a new plugin named Elementor. So install it. And activate it. We are also going to be installing another plugin called Lightspeed Cache. So Lightspeed Cache, install it. It will make our website load faster. And activate it. So now our website looks like this, and we need to turn it into this. So first of all, we will create a new page and name it So this is going to be our home page. First, let's see, here is two columns. First one has this text and the second one has this image. We will create the header at last. So now let's add two columns like this, and then in one we have names. So add a text editor. In here, so here it is written, hi, my name is. So we'll copy it and paste it. Now we will change its looks. So we will use Barlow condensed and increase its size and weight. Now next up is this line. So let's create that. We will add a divider and then decrease its width and increase its weight to 2 and decrease the gap. Now because it is here and we need to bring it up, we will go to the margin section and decrease it. Now the values are linked together, so we will cancel the link and then bring it up. Now this section is created. Next up is the name, which is Alok Ranjan. So we will add a title or a heading and name it Alok Ranjan. Okay, now in the style section, as we can see, it is all in uppercase, so we'll also put it in uppercase. So transform and then uppercase. Then we need to change its size and Also, let's change its color to a bit more like that, and its font. Let's choose the one which matches. I think it looks like this, and then a bit more bold and with a bit more size. So now the name is done. Next up is I am a web developer. So let's copy that, and then another heading, and paste it over there. And now it looks the same. So next is this icon with this email ID. So to add an icon, because this icon, as we can see, is an image, so we'll add an image and lower its size. Lower its size and add a photo and image. The image is of a email, so let's drop it. So this is the image. Next up is this text, which is example@u.com. So let's add a text editor as a paragraph and paste it over there. It is in the same format, so now we just have to change its margin. The values are linked, so cancel it. Now from the right or left, the closest as we can get, and also yes. Now next up is this phone icon with the number, so let's add that. Another image. We will actually duplicate it because it is of the same size, and bring it down. Now time to change this image to that of that. So this is the logo. Select it, then not a heading but a text editor. We need to paste this number. Paste it and decrease its margin. Don't link the values to the top. And from the right, increase it. Not from the right, but from the left. So from the left it goes a bit here. So let's see. Now first let's publish this page and go to this page. Not this page, this page. So now it looks like this. Now there is, as you can see, a change in color over here, so we will do the same. So in the background section, style, background classic, and we need to find the same one of here. So this color, what we will do is we will choose a color which matches. It's a bit more like grayish type. a bit dark. Yeah, this color. And now it's time for this image and that overlay. So we need to select this section and then go to its style, then background overlay, and as we can see over here, this there is an image behind this image, so we will do that, a classic and then a choose image. So this is the image. Now we need to change the position to bottom right and then the repeat to no repeat, and also make its opacity a bit less. Done. Now we need to add this image which is over here, so let's add that image. Choose the image. So this is the image. Select that. Now as we can see, the image is in circle, so what we will do is we will go to advanced, mask, and turn on mask. In the shape, select circle, and now it looks like this. Update this page and refresh it, so it now looks like this, which is almost the same, but as we can see there is a gap over here, and but here it is not, and there is a lot more gap over here. So what we'll do is we need to decrease, first we need to increase the gap. So from the top, let's increase the margin, actually after unlinking the values from the top. Now that is enough. Now the space in between, we need to make that a bit less. Done. Now we will update it. Now the next step is this header. Here it looks like this. Now the next step is the header. So for that we will first, what we will do is we will go back to the dashboard, then go to settings and reading. As we can see here, we need to first of all let's delete these pages, sample page and privacy and policy. Move to trash, and also we need to rename it. Rename this page to home, as this is our home page. Now update. Now go to settings, reading, and here your latest post, because currently our home page looks like this, but we need it to look like this. So we'll choose a static page, and then in the home page we'll select the home page. Now when we'll refresh it, this is the page. Now we need to choose the header. So click on customize. This is the header. So first let's select the logo of Alex James, select it, and upload, and that is the logo, and remove the site title, publish it. Next up is this home, which is written over here, and for that we'll use Elementor. Now for that we will go to the pages section, edit, and hide it. So now when we'll click update, here the home is gone. So as you can see, we have created a website which looks like this. Now what is left is just this footer. Now we'll copy that, go to customize, footer builder, copyright, and here what we need to do is copyright, and in this powered by theme author, we will remove that, and here it is written made by Alok Ranjan. So we will copy that and paste it over here. Now publish it. Now let's see how this looks. So visit site, purge all. So now it looks exactly the same like this. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Subscribe please.